Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use your Apple Watch to locate your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is powered on and within Bluetooth range, typically about 10 meters or 33 feet. Then, simply swipe up on your Apple Watch display to open the control center. Look for the distinctive iPhone icon and give it a tap. Your iPhone will immediately play a sound, helping you pinpoint its exact location. For those times when a simple sound isn't enough, your Apple Watch offers advanced finding features. Just tap and hold the iPhone icon in the control center. This action will not only make your iPhone play a sound, but it will also cause its LED flashlight to flash and the device to vibrate. This is incredibly helpful in dimly lit rooms or noisy environments, giving you multiple cues to find your phone. What if your iPhone isn't within Bluetooth range? No problem, your Apple Watch can still help. Open the Find Devices app directly on your watch. From the list of your Apple devices, select your iPhone. The app will then display its last known location on a map using its GPS capabilities. This feature is perfect for when you've left your phone at a friend's house or a coffee shop. If you're having trouble locating your iPhone, here are a few quick troubleshooting tips. First, confirm that both your Apple Watch and iPhone have adequate battery life. Next, ensure Bluetooth is active on your iPhone for the close-range pinging feature. Finally, double-check that Find My iPhone is enabled in your iPhone settings under your Apple ID. These steps resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.